Chanakya was known for his multidisciplinary thinking. He could think in various dimensions. He made India the wealthiest country of his time. In spite of all this material wealth he created, one thing that we should not forget is that Chanakya was a deeply spiritual person. He was a very enlightened person. He created riches outside, but what really mattered was inside. He said, "If I have knowledge, I can create many kings." Where did he get this conviction? It came from the deep of his spirituality. He had an absolute conviction in himself and God Almighty. The spiritual base and the foundation that he had were strong and deep rooted. Therefore, one more type of thinking that Chanakya wanted the leaders to develop was spiritual thinking. There is a misconception about spirituality that it is meant for old and useless people, and that you became spiritual only when you have nothing to left to do in your life. Another misconception is that spirituality is for the other world, to gain benefits after we die and go to some place called heaven. In reality, it is the other way around. The spiritual people are always active and dynamic. They are action oriented. The spiritual energy in them gives them the strength to do better than the ordinary. With a foundation of spirituality, even the ordinary will become extraordinary. Spirituality is a state of awareness. It is a state of being with oneself. If you run a company or an organization, you should create a lot of wealth and money and fulfill all the desires, but it should be based on spirituality. There is nothing wrong in being ambitious and creating wealth. One can desire to become the richest person in the world. Only make sure that the wealth is created in an ethical manner. Becoming rich the spiritual way seems difficult, but that is the right method. Making money through shortcuts seems easy, but shortcuts are the usually longest way to the true success. Among all the type of thinking brought out by Chanakya, the highest form is the spiritual thinking. But only spiritual thinking without worldly thinking is also not good. Balancing everything in life. A life thus lived is fulfilling without any regrets. Live life in a king size, but the heart should also be large in size to accommodate one and all. That is the reason why, apart from being the greatest political thinker, Chanakya was also known as one of the greatest practical philosophers that our country ever produced.